In silence, burdened by my fears, searching for answers through the passing years. So I cried out into the endless blue, and heaven answered with a voice so true. I asked, who am I to you? You are my child. I asked, what should I do? Seek first my kingdom and my righteousness. Heaven's whispers calm my weary soul, and brought my broken heart back home. You are my child, chosen and deeply known. Seek my kingdom, seek my kingdom, never walk alone. Wondering when the sun would finally rise. Then I opened up the sacred page and found a